Spread. Walk inside of them, my DPS. Walk inside of them now. Walk inside of them. Spreading, okay? Ready, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Collide. Now you spread. Now you spread and brawl. Brawl southeast. Brawl east.
Sabay kayong cooldown na.
Keep brawling. We have cooldown, okay? They have cooldown. You spread now. Spread on the north. A little bit. Spread. They're looking. Spread. They're about to engage, okay? They're engaging southwest. They're gonna engage southwest. Spread. Come east. Come southeast. Ready, southwest. Ready. Defensive. Look inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. Nice clap. Keep going east. Okay? Spread. Guys, spread. Stop. Spread. Is Triple ST still alive? Keep going east. Okay? Keep going east. Listen.
Level 1
Yeah, keep going southeast. Keep going southeast. Pass the choke. Kill everybody inside of us. Q-Synobus. Kill everybody. Now walk northwest. Walk northwest now. Go northeast fast. You spread. Ready, defensive now. Counter west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Delete that. Keep going west. Now you spread inside of them. Spread inside of them. Spread. They have cooldown now. You spread. Ready. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Full wipe again. Full wipe, guys. Full wipe. Now you spread. Spread. They're engaging. Defensive. Good job. Boys, walk in. No fear. Motherfuckers, no fear. Yo, boys. Q-Synobus. Look west. We're looking west. Look west. 5 seconds west. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Finish them here.
Walk into the outpost.
Walk to the outpost.
Loot behind.
All rise. Level 14 disarray. Where? Not strong. Where?
Bluffs.
Southwest mo.
Oh my gosh.
Loot up and mount up.
Clear ba natin outpost? O hindi mo na?
No need.
North.
No need. Loot up and mount up.
Nagsasaw na daw.
Fast. Loot up and mount up. Fast.
Pwede ka mag-northeast. Ikot ka lang.
Come notice. You go notice now. Loot up and mount up, okay? You're gonna go
Lord
notice.
na lang yun.
Wala. Hindi natin can't afford to risk. Loot up and come notice now. Go notice, please. Go notice. Go notice, guys. Go notice. They have OC too, but they're 1-6 IP. Come notice. Let them take the outpost. Don't mind.
Profit tayo dun sa kills.
Ken, nakuha ko yung full set mo. Di ka pala nag-OC eh. Come notice now. Local?
Sino yun?
All rise.
Anong galing yun?